Unlock the secrets of hypnotic, floor-shaking progressive psychedelic trance by diving into FL Studio. First, let's sculpt that signature pulsing bass line. Open your favorite synth, like Serum or Silent One for a classic prog feel. We'll use a square wave with a touch of saw wave for grit. Keep the sustain high and the decay relatively short to create that driving pulse for the rhythm. Load up a simple kick drum, perhaps a punchy 909 layer, a snappy clap as your second beat. Now, program your bass pattern. A common technique is to use a root note followed by a fifth, creating that essential harmonic movement. Open the piano roll and draw in your notes. Try creating a rhythmic sequence: root, fifth, root. Quantize it to the grid for that tight, driving feel. For the sound processing of your bass, we'll focus on power and clarity. Add a saturator to give it warmth and harmonics. Then, use a low-pass filter to gently roll off the high frequencies and keep it focused. Finally, a touch of subtle distortion can add aggression. Next, let's craft a captivating lead melody. Load another instance of your synth. We'll aim for a more piercing, resonant sound. Try a saw wave with a slightly sharper envelope. Experiment with portamento or glide to create smooth note transitions. For the lead melody, think spiraling, evolving patterns. Use a mix of shorter and longer notes. Try arpeggiating a simple scale or mode. Don't be afraid to experiment with higher octaves for that distinctive feel. To process the lead, we want it to cut through the mix. Add some delay, perhaps a ping-pong setting, to give it width and movement. Chorus is excellent for thickening the sound. Finally, a bit of reverb will add spaciousness and depth. Now for the atmospheric pads. Load a rich, evolving synth. Think about long attack and release times. We want these to create a wall of sound. Layering 2 or 3 different pad sounds can create a more complex and immersive texture. Arrange your elements in the playlist. Build your track section by section, introducing the kick and bass first, then layering in the lead and pads. Use automation to add subtle changes to filter cutoff, resonance, and volume, keeping the soundscape evolving. For the master bus, a gentle limiter is crucial to maximize loudness, but be careful not to overdo it. A touch of EQ to ensure everything sits well together is also beneficial. And there you have it. Why Euro, the foundations of your own progressive psychedelic trance journey.